Hi, I'm Kabilan from Tamil Nadu. I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering in specific field of Electronics and Communication Engineering from Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College, Coimbatore. In my college days, I have theoretically strong, but I don't have much practical knowledge. In Emertxe, I have learned many things like in each and every peripherals I have learned about in microcontroller, which helped me a lot in gain knowledge in embedded systems. Emertxe helped me to learn programming languages like C and C++, and through their continuous test and practice, I have managed to crack a job in Marelli. The assignments helped me to build a logical thinking, and projects are very important because through projects we can implement our theoretical knowledge into practical ones, and which plays a major role in developing a real-time software project. I have done around 8 projects. In an interview process, they have asked me about some projects in depth, through which I have done in my own. I have explained the project well, and I got placed in. I have attended around 3 interviews. Marley is my third interview, which I have cracked the job. In the journey in Emertxe was very good. Like the mentors helped me whenever I ask doubts. Maybe apart from the class times, I ask them when they reach when night also they will help me a lot. Apart from that, I had some good friends who helped me through the process. I would tell like be consistent. Just believe in yourself. Whenever you face rejections, like be self-motivated. Maybe not today, but one day you can get what you need. This journey, it challenged us, it changed us.